Okay, hi guys, today we are discuss about the topic of optical fiber. In this optical fiber has a different types of properties, like as it's a low signal loss material and high attenuation material and expanded material, and then it's a monochromatic light source transportation material. In this property material we can create a lot of applications, like as transportation of data communication through to optical fiber cable. In application of optical fiber cable, you know the fiber net or dot fiber net. In this dot fiber net, it's transport to the fastest transports to one place to another place. It's an example of we have a one fiber laser material, semiconductor laser light source. First we switch on the material. If the material is on, at the present the laser light source comes outside, and the laser light source, it's not determines any other place, it's only transferred to straight line only, it's measurable at the any place. In case in this laser light source generated and the places are determined, if any kind of objects it's determines to any place, that way the light source only blinking. Another source, the light source, it's not given any other separations. So this is the main advantages of laser source. So in this application we have utilization in the air transportation through to radar application and marine application of radar. So in this radar source, the laser light source transport the one place to another place. In even though any kind of object or opticals or any kind of problems identified, the light source will be stopped. So the light source, the distance will be increases, the light source or density also increase, and distance will be shortest, the light source diameter also low. So these type of work nature only we have to analyze the practical oriented session. So this is optical fiber source, semiconductor optical laser source material. This is the fiber optics communication cable. It's very thin cable, and in this cable have a very smallest materials, like as small fiber material like 0.4 micrometer, very low level diameter material is the at the cable is very low level diameter cable. So in this cable is very flexible and it's not brokenable easily. So we use the any place and anywhere. Nowadays we are know very well, like as our family member working at USA, my family member working at UK. We are call with WhatsApp call or video call. You connect to each and every minute, you will connect it. But last 5 years back, we have some Skype material. We connect the Skype video call. That material you speak in this word. That word will be sent that another place through take some times. You know that? You know that any kind of words you will speak, that word will reach that person in minimum time duration of before the 5 minutes, and then that person will give the answer. At that word we take receive it another 5 minutes. So these type of network issues we will take. But in optical fiber cable, nowadays we take a phone, we call on video call. Now we speak what kind of material word you speak. At the second that person will reach that word, and you have a proper communications. So this is the advantages of optical fiber cable. And then we are the next application. It's the cable transportation. If the cable transportation, we join the cable. The cable gives the light source at very fastest to transport one place to another place. It's not depend on length. Its length is increases, the light source will be more fastly. At any kind of length we will use. And then this is the slider. We have some length measurements. We have some length and we have some diameters. Okay. So we have 0 to 7 centimeter length material and some 0 to 30 millimeter diameter ranged one wall. Now we connect the laser light source through to cable. In this laser light source we have some applications. But it's a lost material, so light source will be spread at each and every place. The distance will be shorter. What happened? The light density comes to decrease. If the nearby distance which come, the diameter also decreases. Same application gives a reverse. If you take increase the length, what happen? The light source's diameter will be increases. These type also we have used in marine material and aircraft material. And then also the rocketry level also we identified these laser type material. What kind of rocketry? We know that the rocket will be reach this earth outer lane. The rocket will be reach the another galaxies, another place plane. The scientists also given the data. In the 150th day, the rocket will be reached that orbital level. So these type of material will be calculated at this laser application. So these are the very important application through to our department like a civil. What kind of laser light source? Only transport a straight line. So we are construct a building and then we check the place. In this building is straight line and what kind of application we have do. So we have measurement. What kind of it's simple work nature. What kind of this room size to take this 7.8. Why? We have written in the board. But calculating method, what we do? Take the tape and take some measurement and then write length, breadth and width. But nowadays we have a laser light measurements. You put it in the one wall and take some straight lines light source. It gives a measurement. These wall have this type of length. These wall have this amount of breadth. These wall have this amount of width. So the applications of laser light source has an enormous level. Nowadays we use the speedometer calculation like a CCTV camera speed observer. You know the applications of National Highway Authority of India. Lot of places we have some CCTV cameras and nearby place it displays the speed of the vehicle. the capture of vehicle. It captures the 10-meter level. It captures this vehicle are running this type of speed. Determination like as laser light source. This laser light source how to observe, determine the breadth or diameter increasing or decreasing. In this increasing of laser light source, this vehicle will be crosses this type of speed. And even though we are know the cricket ball speed, if the bowler is bowled the ball, the another second, what kind of material come? This ball has been 144 km per hour or 70 miles per hour. These all are what kind of material? Laser light source material. In fixation of laser light source, what kind of speed that ball will be reach the another place. These are the applications and these are the very known applications of our side. Okay? Thank you.